Hey guys, I'm Scott and thanks for stopping by. A problem for many guitarists is a friend comes over, wants to jam, but you only have one amp. What is needed is a way to combine the output from two guitars and feed it into one amplifier input. And of course it has to be inexpensive. This quick look will show first a basic circuit and then look at how I built one out of a dead pedal box and some spare parts I had in a parts bin. If you've never built anything electrical, this may seem complicated. But if you're looking for a first project, this is a really good one and very usable. Here is a functional but not very reliable approach. Just take the guitar output plugs, some hookup wire, and a third plug, and make the connections. A more elegant and reliable approach adds some connectors, a switch, and is installed in a box to make it neat, compact, and more usable. I measure all the wires to fit and connect and solder them outside the box, and then install the parts in the box. Make sure to ensure that all the connections are correct. The top plug is always on. Just flip the switch to connect both guitars in parallel. You'll notice there's a volume drop, similar to switching from 1 to 2 pickups. I hope you like this quick look at a guitar combiner, and I'd love to hear what you think of it in the comments below. I'm Scott. See you next time.